Hello viewers, let's assign your favorite app to the power button so you can quickly open and close it with double press on your Android phone. Remember, it's an additional function of the power button of your cellular phone. So first open your mobile settings and in setting come down to click advanced features. Now once again click on side button so it may open. And now you will see this button, so turn it on and tap over this area of double press app. Now above are apps already suggested. However, let me click gear like sign as YT Studios already selected. So let's go and change it. And now choose an app which is your favorite. Let me click chess game. Now double tap on your power button so your mobile phone may memorize this. Let's go to main screen and now double tap the power button and you can see simply that chess game has been opened. Let me double click it once again to close it all. Let me tap on the home button to reach to the main screen. Now let's go and change it. So click over here and let me go once again to the settings and now let me click in torch. Now with double click I'll simply open torch. Once again double tap the power button in quick succession. Let's go to main screen and let's check it. And now you can see that I'm double clicking my power button of cell phone and torch is on, and once again by double clicking the same torch has been turned off. So this is a quick method to open or close the selected app, but remember the default soft button will still work. So let me open quick access from drop down menu and you can see the torch soft button is available. I can turn it off and on, as well as I can additionally turn on the torch by double tapping the power button. Thanks for watching.